Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today, I will share with you a few examples of legal digital products that you can sell on eBay for profit. Keep in mind that what I share with you today are just a few examples of digital items you can sell on eBay without getting your account suspended. Now, before we begin the video, you need to learn a few things about digital items and what they mean on eBay. Digital items on eBay are items that sellers will list, and then when someone buys from their listing, they will either send them the items to their email, or as a message on eBay. But what most people do not know, is that we are not allowed to sell digital items on eBay. Technically, you can sell digital items on eBay, but there are a couple of rules you need to follow, and those are explained in detail in the electronically delivered items policy page. I will leave a link to the policy page below in the description, if you want to learn more. There is another method that sellers use to be able to sell digital items on eBay and avoid suspension, and I already made a video talking about this method, so if you want to watch that video, I will link it in the card section, and also in the description box below. So now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about some of the digital items you can sell on eBay. Number 1. Random Steam games. If you go to eBay and search for random Steam games, you will find a lot of sellers that are selling those bundles of keys for a cheap price. For example, you can find some sellers selling 50 random games for just $6.99. What these sellers do is that they buy cheap game keys in bulk, and then sell those game keys for a profit. Number 2. Xbox Live Gold. You can also search for Xbox Live Gold on eBay, and what you will find are sellers offering Xbox Live Gold codes for a really cheap price. These sellers will buy those codes for a cheap price from other websites, and then list those codes on eBay in hope to make a big profit. And if you look at some of the top sellers, you can see that they do indeed sell consistently every single day. Number 3. eBooks. This is probably one of the easiest and safest things to sell on eBay. So if you have an ebook that you wrote, and you are selling it on KDP for example, you can safely offer that ebook on eBay by following the method I talked about in the other video. Number 4. Video courses. This is also something you can sell on eBay, so if you have created a video course, and either has it listed on Udemy or Skillshare, you can also list it on eBay and sell it there. In this video, I shared with you a few digital item examples that you can legally sell on eBay. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and subscribe for any future videos like this. Thanks for watching.